It seems to be a huge relief for former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, where the Karnataka High Court has quashed an FIR filed against Yediyurappa in the illegal mining case. Dhanya Rajendran on the phone line with us. Dhanya, first tell us, what is the basis of the High Court quashing this FIR?
Well, we do not know exactly what the orders are, Maru. There is a boycott which is still going on in the High Court. In fact, even the lawyers representing B.S. Yediyurappa were not able to go inside when the judgment was read out. So we do not know on what basis the High Court has given the order. But yes, if the High Court has indeed quashed the FIR, then it is a huge relief for B.S. Yediyurappa. Now, the FIR was based on the illegal mining report, which was submitted by the former Lokayukta Santosh Hegde. This report was then accepted by the governor, on the basis of which the FIR is filed. Now, the High Court has quashed Chapter 22 of the Lokayukta report. And let's not forget, Maru, that it is on the basis of this very report that Yediyurappa was made to step down as Chief Minister of Karnataka. So this move by the Karnataka High Court comes as a huge, huge relief for the former Chief Minister.
Right, but what happens next? Because have you tried to speak to Justice Santosh Hegde? What is the Lokayukta saying at this point? Because this was the basis of the entire case in the illegal mining scam and against Yediyurappa, like you were just mentioning. We had a copy of that report which clearly indicted Mr. Yediyurappa.
Well, we have to now wait and see what the orders are, whether Yediyurappa can really use it politically. Now, what we're hearing is that perhaps the High Court could have quashed it because there was a duplication in the case, or we do not know whether the High Court did not find enough merit in the Lokayukta report, which is why the FIR got quashed. Now, if the High Court had not found merit in the Lokayukta report, then that comes as a huge relief for Yediyurappa, and sources close to him clearly saying that he will make that very vigorous push to be made the Chief Minister of the state again. And to your question as to what the Lokayukta can do next, well, the Lokayukta has the provision of approaching the Supreme Court against the Karnataka High Court judgment. But Maharuk, as of now, Karnataka does not have a Lokayukta. Ever since last September, there has been no Lokayukta. So we do not know whether the police officials who are now looking after the Lokayukta and the Upa Lokayukta will go ahead and approach the Supreme Court.
And any reactions at this point coming in either from the BJP unit there or from Mr. Yediyurappa?
That Yediyurappa is at present visiting the Siddhaganga Mutt in Tumkur. He will be coming back to Bangalore in some time. He's also waiting for the order copy, but sources close to him clearly saying that this is a judgment which B.S. Yediyurappa was waiting for.
Right, Dhanya, we'll just come to you. Stay on the phone line with us. Dhananjay Kumar is joining us on the phone line. Dhananjay, Mr. Kumar, a huge relief for Mr. Yediyurappa, the High Court quashing the FIR against him. Your reactions, please.
Certainly, I would consider this as a great victory for truth, Maru.